everyone, my name is Pradol and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys things that I secretly bought from my subscribers' businesses. I've already done a part 1 of this video back in September last year. Not only did you guys like the video, but also the subscribers from whose businesses I shop from, they really liked the video, and the comments and the messages that I received from them made me want to do a part 2. So obviously my intention here is to boost small businesses owned by you guys. But having said that, I will be sharing with you guys my true and honest opinion, which is why I order all of these things from a private secret account. I do not place an order from my official Instagram account to really be able to tell how they run their businesses. We have some really beautiful and aesthetic products for today's video. So let's get started. I think it's only fair to start with a chicken curry brand. Now, chicken curry sets have been my uniform. I've been wearing one almost every single day since the last 8 months, and I was almost on like a mission to find good brands that do really nice cotton chicken curry comfortable sets. And I found a brand, and I think you guys are gonna really like it because every time I wear one, my DMs are flooded. Okay, so the brand is called Sasha Fashion and Lifestyle. So starting off with all of these simple quad sets that they have, I have these in a bunch of different colors, and this is what I wear on repeat. And I have been wearing and washing these over and over and over again. Trust me, for the summers, this is amazing. Now, these sets are for 1750 rupees, which you might think is expensive at first, but trust me, for the quality, it's so worth it. As I mentioned, I've been wearing and washing these over and over again, and they still feel like new. Like this black one that I have right here, the cotton is so soft. The stitching, the embroidery is still perfectly on. So ये वाले pieces तो मेरे favorite है ही, but I wanted to experiment and try something different other than these simple kurtis. So this is what I ended up picking, and I got the same thing in a red as well. Now this again is a cotton chicken curry set with self work, so the embroidery is also in the same blue color or the same red color, and it also has these tiny little ticklies all over it. I think the color is absolutely beautiful. The fit is amazing. I wear a size medium, by the way, because I like it a little bit flowy. This shade just looks so beautiful on my skin tone. But I do have one thing to say is that ये जो छोटी छोटी टिकली है, ये थोड़ी सी चुभती है around your chest, so it would be a good idea to wear a slip underneath. But other than that, no complaints. Absolutely love it. By the way, this set is for 1850, but I feel like it's absolutely worth the price because it's gonna last you for years and years. You're probably wondering where my mug is from. I think you guys, just like me, love mugs, plates, crockery in general. So I found a brand by one of you that does just that, and it's super aesthetic. So the brand is called Claysthetic, which is such a cute name. So as of now, this brand does mugs, and they have a few designs, which by the way, all of them are so cute. The first one you've already seen. It's this beautiful, very floral mug, and then we have this smiley face mug. Again, so cute. Not only do they look super cute, they're also really good quality. Like, it's super thick, and I am really happy with this purchase. I think price point wise also it's really great. If I have to add something, I would say that they don't do customization. So if you send them an image from Pinterest, they won't be able to recreate it as of now, but I hope in the future they are able to do that. Whatever they already have is really pretty, great price point, and I really love it. On to a jewelry brand. Now this one is called Mohur. Now I feel like there are a lot of jewelry stores on Instagram, right? And I feel like a lot of them tend to have very similar looking pieces, and this one also has some basics, but it does have certain pieces that really stand out to me, like their ear cuffs. So I had to pick this one up. I believe it's called their waterfall ear cuff. So clearly, I love my earrings and my ear piercings. So this is what it looks like. I think it looks really, really cool. It's for 950 rupees. It is a statement piece for sure. And I feel like it's very, very unique. Like I haven't seen anything like this on an Instagram page. Another thing is this ring. Every time I wear it, I get a lot of compliments and questions about it. Super cute heart-shaped ring. Just to be clear, they have sent me PR in the past. So I just want to quickly show you a few pieces that they've sent me in the past, like these bangles. Very chunky statement bangles. How beautiful. And my favorite part is that they don't fall off my hand. So I have very thin wrists, right? And this one sits perfectly. It's not loose on me. I am obsessed with these. They had also sent me these statement earrings. Again, such great quality and such unique pieces. We have quite a few clothing brands in today's video. The next one is called Katha Dori, and they do these beautiful prints which I feel like is so perfect for summer. Just look at their prints. So youthful, so colorful. I decided to pick up two different kurtis from them. Clearly, I'm obsessed with this one. So it's a really nice cotton spaghetti kurti. Love the print. I think I'm saying that for the third time, but I love the way it fits. It's very, very comfortable. Love the detailing at the back. It's very comfortable on the skin as well. I think my absolute favorite part has to be that this has cups inside, so I could potentially not wear a bra and just wear this, which I love for me, especially in the summers. I am a C cup, so I can get away without wearing a bra. Like I don't need a lot of support, so I love that. Then we have this floral print in a black and white. I can already imagine this with ripped jeans, oxidized jewelry, such a killer combo. I really like the slits that they have on the side. I think this would work really well with like denim shorts also. So cool. So price point wise also really like it. 499, 599. I think that's pretty basic pricing, and the quality of this one, a thumbs up. The next brand is a super cool one. It's called O Womania. Now they do bohemian bags and jewelry. Their products are killer. Like they're so unique and so elaborate, so maximalist. I absolutely love their catalog. Okay, let me show you what I picked up. So this is the first thing that I picked up. It's a phone cover. ये बीच में बहुत ही viral हुआ था. Like at least मेरे feed पे I was seeing these phone covers with oxidized jewelry or like oxidized metal all over it. Like this is such a statement piece, and इसकी quality भी बहुत अच्छी है. Like बहुत ही sturdy लग रहा है ये. Okay, I just put it on my phone to see what it actually feels like. It feels very comfortable. For some reason, when I was placing an order, I thought that it would be very bulky and I wouldn't be able to like put this in my pocket, but ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. बहुत ही अच्छा है and I love it. Like so cool. So this was for 999, which I think is pretty good. Then we have this. So again, it's this oxidized bag for 1599. Little bit more expensive, but what a beautiful statement piece. इसमें बाय द वे ज्यादा कुछ फिट नहीं होगा अदर देन प्रॉबेबली योर फोन, लिप बाम, लिपस्टिक, समथिंग लाइक दैट, विच आई एम ओके विद. आई डोंट रियली केयर. बहुत ही ज्यादा कूल पीस है. आई नो इफ यू स्टे इन दिल्ली में ये बहुत कुछ मिलता है. आई हैवंट बीन टू कोलाबा इन अ वाइल, सो आई डोंट नो इफ दिस इज अवेलेबल एट कोलाबा और हिल रोड, बट आई really like it. So the products I feel like are very unique. The price point is also not too bad. The quality is great. However, there is one thing that I do need to mention. So it took them a month to deliver these two items, which I feel like is a long time, and they weren't also very responsive on their DMs. That's the only thing that I need to like convey it to you guys. However, they did mention that this phone cover of theirs got super viral, which is why they got really overwhelmed, which I mean is understandable. I want to be fair when I'm giving these reviews, so I'm conveying all the information that I've gathered. So that was my very honest review on the brand. The next brand that we have is called Atmos. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Sabse pehle, we have to take a moment and look at their packaging. I love their fonts, their color scheme, the whole idea and design behind it. So just to be clear, this brand too has sent me PR in the past. But of course, I also did buy something myself from a secret account to really be able to judge the brand. Okay, so what I picked up was the Atmos Livings candle in the variant called Smoked Vanilla. The attention to detail is beautiful. So they've also given a cute little matchbox which says, "We're a perfect match." How cute. The actual candle also looks and feels very, very premium. The color scheme, the golden lid, it gives me very Bath and Body Works vibes. The size is also, I would say, basically the same. I love candles. I've used a lot of candles, and I have to say my most favorite brand of candles has to be Bath and Body Works, because the way they make your space smell so quickly and the potency of it is amazing. They're obviously expensive. This one is for 1,200 rupees, and I have to give it to them. They do a beautiful job. As you can see, it's right behind me, and even now I can smell it. It smells amazing. I have to say one thing though, when I received it, it was not in its best condition, in the sense that the wax was a little bit all over the place. Nothing crazy, कुछ भी टूटा या फूटा ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था. So we did message them saying that this is how we received it, and guess what? They refunded us the full amount, which I think is amazing. Like, they really care for their customers. I think that's what it shows. 10 on 10 recommend their candles. So they have a few different variants of perfumes. This is a newer launch. It's called Vanilla Creme. It's an EDP. Super cute packaging. It's a really nice fresh vanilla fragrance that retails for 2,000 rupees. We're almost done. The last two brands are both clothing brands. They're such cute clothing brands. The first one is called Guest List. Now this to me strikes as a very Gen Z brand. It's a slow fashion brand that also does custom clothing. So I feel like if you've spotted something on Pinterest and you want to have that for yourself, I think they would be great to reach out to. Having said that, I have not gotten anything custom made from them. I picked something off from their website. So it's a skirt and top set. When I wore this to an event, I got so many compliments, and I too felt so confident in myself. It's not cheap though. The skirt was for 1,550 rupees and the top is for 1,900 rupees. It does look fabulous. I love the color. I love the fit. I love the ruffles. Overall, it's a vibe. And there's another outfit right here, the polka dot set, which I am obsessed and I will eventually buy. I know it. So the price point is definitely relatively more expensive, but I feel like if there's a special occasion, maybe it's your birthday or there's something happening and you want to really stand out and have a very unique outfit, I feel like they would be a great place to shop from. The last and final brand is the one that I'm wearing. So this top right here, it's by this brand called Knots by Anshuka. So she does a bunch of different things, right? From crochet flowers, hair clips, bags, tops, basically everything knitted. And her page is very, very creative, very beautiful. And this piece right here, actually, I sent her a picture from Pinterest and I asked her if she could customize it and make it for me, and she really did deliver. She also sent me a picture of a catalog of the different colors of threads that she had, and I could pick and choose what color I wanted it to be. This feels so nice and thick, and I love the color. The finishing is beautiful. I believe she's the one who hand knits everything. This piece was for 820 rupees, which I think is amazing considering that she knitted this herself. And I also picked up this piece right here. Now this was already on her page. I just got it custom made in a different color. I personally love the square neck. It is a little bit out there, but again, she does customize, so you can really change it up according to your comfort. This was for 820 rupees. I think it's fab quality, very fashionable as well, and very Pinteresty. I am so impressed with this brand. Do bear in mind, this might take a little bit longer. This is not something that you're going to receive in 4 to 5 business days because obviously it's handmade. But I would 100% repurchase and recommend this brand to all of you. And with that, we have come towards the end of today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you are someone who owns a business and you want me to talk about it, share it with all of you guys, make sure to comment down below. I'm happy to make a part 3 soon. As always, all the brands and their links will be in the description box below, so go and check it out. My intention here is to support small businesses, so if you do end up liking something, make sure to go support them. That's it. Like this video, subscribe to my channel because we're so close to 1 million, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.